In this video, you'll learn how to clear all data on Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will effectively reset your wallet and remove any stored data. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure that the app has fully loaded and you can see the main interface, which displays your wallet balance and recent transactions. Next, locate and click on the settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon, which can be found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click it, the settings menu will appear, allowing you to adjust various preferences. After that, select the security and privacy section from the list within the settings menu. This section is dedicated to managing your wallet security features and privacy settings, and it will open to show you several options related to your account. Scroll down to find the Reset Wallet option. This feature is located towards the bottom of the security and privacy section. Once you see it, click on Reset Wallet to proceed to the next step. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the reset action. This is an important step, as resetting your wallet will delete all data, including any stored addresses and transaction history. Make sure you read the prompt carefully, and if you are certain you want to proceed, click on the confirm button. Once you confirm the reset, the wallet will process the action. This may take a few moments, and you should see a loading indicator during this time. After the process is complete, your Phantom Wallet will be reset to its initial state and all previous data will be cleared. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.